Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change frame rates in Premiere Pro. First, I have two clips on my timeline right here. If I change my project panel to a list view, you can see that they have different frame rates and I want to match them. So first, on the project panel, we are going to highlight our clips, right-click on them, and click on Modify, and click on Interpret Footage. From here, we are going to select Assume this frame rate, and I'm going to change it to 30. Click on OK once you have set the frame rate that you want. Now, changing the higher frame rate to a lower frame rate will make the video have slow motion with increased duration. So to change the frame rate without affecting the speed, we can go to Effects and search for Posterize, and we're going to search for Posterize Time. Let's drag this effect to the video that you want to change the frame rate. Go to Effect Controls, scroll down, and you can then change the frame rate right here without changing the speed of the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.